Alright guys, we've seen all over YouTube how much people like when you switch tires onto something else. We got a lawnmower here today. We're taking these back tires and maybe the front and we're throwing them on Greg's Can-Am 850. Did I get that right?
Yep.
Okay, Can-Am 850. That's what we're throwing them on today. Let's see what happens. So basically, lawnmower tires don't fit on a quad, on a Can-Am, so we got to drill our own holes. We're going to put this on, and we're going to see how well it fits.
That'll work.
Jake's paycheck banks on this video working. We need video ideas. Anything you guys want to see us do, put it in the comments and we will try to get to it. Video ideas are slow around here. Comment what you want to see us do.
It actually like looks like a race quad now, eh?
Oh my gosh, dude.
Oh, that is wobbling like crazy.
We gotta let the most skilled stunt driver do the wheelies. You saw in the last video how I was. Let's give it a shot. Okay.
Safety first, kids! Greg's a lot better than I am at wheelies.
Yeah, it's so much fun. Those were pretty good.
So, if you guys ever lose a quad tire, you pop a quad tire, and you got a lawnmower, you're good.
Yeah,
It's
so
even better.
far at least. So
In fact,
far.
I consider this an upgrade. Like,
And that's the cost of being a cameraman.
Yeah, it's offset so much. All of the mud just goes on to me. Yeah, we could hit
Jake,
that.
what do you think? You think we should hit the jump?
I think that's a great idea.
Okay. Alright, so me and Jake, we're both construction workers. He's a roofer, I do concrete, and inside of that, you need to back up trailers often. And we thought it would be fun to see who's the better driver. We want to see who can back up better. And so what we're going to do is come over here, Ben, start off in that laneway, make our way around the road, and we're going to have to come through two pylons right here. Whoever can do that in the least amount of time wins, and the loser has to jump into an ice cold pond. Alrighty, I'm here interviewing Jake before the big event. How do you feel?
I'm pretty nervous, man. The stakes are high, my hopes are not. Context,
Wow.
I understand the concept of driving or backing up with a trailer, but I have the experience of a chipmunk, so.
Our first contestant doesn't feel very confident. That is disappointing. Even as a competitor, I want to see confidence. But
You know, also as the owner of the truck, I would like to see some more confidence.
Okay, well, like,
hey. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh yes.
Alright, slow and steady wins the race, right, Jake?
Yep.
You see where the trailer is and everything?
I see the trailer, I see the trailer.
You cannot touch grass. It has to be all gravel.
We're gonna have to bleep that out.
pond is so cold.
That's not helping, Greg.
1 minute, and he's barely made it out of the laneway. Okay, now I understand why he wasn't so confident. Okay, all right, there we go.
Okay,
You're doing good. You're doing good. Yes, good. Oh, there we go. This is the best thing we've ever done on this channel. 20 seconds left.
Alright, 20 seconds, Jake.
You got a haul, man.
Okay, now get her into the driveway, bud. Other way. Oh.
Oh my gosh, I was wondering where the trailer went.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sadly, we are here with our first contestant that actually got disqualified. We didn't even make up the rule that 5 minutes is disqualification.
Nope.
But we make rules as we go here. How do you feel?
I made it halfway. Greg's truck is still running. We're not in a ditch, so I'd say I'm happy.
He made it to the road.
Yeah.
Hey, that's pretty good.
Yeah.
Thanks for the interview. Let's go on to the next contestant.
Welcome back, guys. We're here with contestant number 2, Ethan Peters. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling good. I'm feeling confident. The guy that I was so the guy that I was versing, he actually got disqualified, and now I'm feeling pretty confident. I just have to make it further than the road.
Yeah. All right. Well, let's see what you can do, and I wish you the best.
Thanks.
Yep. 3, 2, 1, go.
Alright, let's see how he does. Okay, so far. Holy, this guy!
This trailer's a little shorter than the ones we have at work.
Oh!
Ah!
We ready?
Hey, no, that's good, that's good. You're not even in a minute.
All right, I'm on the road.
Yep.
Jake, what do you have to say? So far, he's getting pretty good.
Yeah, we're 45 seconds in. He's already made it to where I was in 5 minutes. So, I think it's safe to say he's got this in the bag.
Alright, he's pulling back into the other side now.
Time. Minute.
Alright, he's going sideways a bit, but... Okay, so now he has to get between these jacks.
All right, this is the hard part, guys.
Keep going. Time. Post interview with Ethan now.
Congratulations.
What was my time?
2 minutes and 6 seconds.
Let's go.
How do you feel right now?
I'm feeling exhilarated. I'm feeling happy. I almost feel like I cheated a little bit because I looked out the back window a lot.
Yeah.
But I mean, I did back up the trailer, so
That's strategy.
So that's okay. Okay. All right.
Any questions?
It's time for the pond.
Okay. I'm gonna want you to go right after because
No, you gotta run back.
I'm not running because then the wind is gonna be
This
like.
is your consequence.
I did not agree to this.
Yes,
There
you
was no
did.
contract.
He's trying to get his way out because we didn't sign a valid contract.
Alright, Jake.
Yes.
Right.
Okay, all the way.
Oh, the butt cheeks are out.